Hi, I'm Gemma. Welcome to the Create Studio channel. I have a fun little idea for you today, making postcards. Postcards are a great way to communicate with people that you have in your life, family, friends, or a pen pal that you just even want to get to know who could live far away. And a postcard is really simple because it's a card that is one-sided. So it's not a greeting card that opens and closes. It's just a single card that's one solid piece, and it can be thinner like this card, it can be a little thicker like these cards from food packaging, or it can be, the thickest would be a piece of cardboard. So the things we want to remember about our postcards are they have to be, let's see, at least or no taller than 3.5 inches tall, no wider than 6 inches wide. And then what we want to do is draw a line. My line is not straight. And on the right-hand side of the card, when you're looking at it, is where you're going to put the address that you're sending it to. This is obviously for kids. Grown-ups know this. And then the postcard stamp will go in the right-hand corner. Postcard stamps are cheaper than regular mail stamps. And then on this side, you can draw a message or say what you want to say to the person you're sending it to. So if you use this kind of card, this can be the art. You can use a greeting card and the blank side on that. So this can be your art. And then your message on this side. You can use a blank piece of cardboard and do your art on one side and your line with your address and message on one side. And you can also do, I took a cereal box and folded it to the right dimensions, and you can glue that closed so it's a solid card, and do your art on one side and then your address and stamp and message on the other side. So this is a really fun project for kids, and it's also a great project for grown-ups. A lot of us adults have different issues and passions and things that we want to speak about to our political communities with senators and messages that we want to say. You can send postcards from home to advocate for the causes that you care about through a postcard. So postcards are great for all kinds of purposes. Have a fun time with this project, and we'll see you again soon.